What's up, guys? This is Max US, and I'm doing my little review on what is Bloggle, right? Bloggle, I found this the other day, and I've got to tell you, this is probably quite possibly one of the most brilliant apps I've ever seen in my entire life. Because you hear a lot of interesting apps and different things, and like there's new product launches going on online all the time, but like this is something that actually one of my teammates kind of put me onto, and it's pretty friggin' mind blowing in and of itself. Because like the way this thing works is that literally it is and I can play the whole video for you. I don't know if you want to watch it, but it's about a 12-minute video. But Bloggle in and of itself takes your Facebook posts and actually, you know what? I'm just gonna play it for you.
So here's the thing, if you're here, chances are you already know that blogging can be a very lucrative way to build an online income stream. And we know that because there are countless examples of people who are earning six figures or more per month from blogging. The problem is that for most of us, myself included, blogging simply does not come naturally, and that's why I built Bloggle. Hi there, my name is Tissa Godavitarni, and I am the owner of Bloggle. And the reason I built Bloggle was because I saw how others were having so much success online by blogging, except it doesn't come naturally to me. And what does come naturally to me and gazillions of other people is Facebook. I mean, especially if you are a marketer, think about the time you spend, the posts that you make on Facebook, creating content, curating others' content for the purpose of promoting yourself or building your brand or selling affiliate products or direct sales, whatever the case may be. So Facebook comes so naturally to us. Most of us spend more time on our mobile devices making Facebook posts than we do logging into a WordPress back office and sitting down and scratching our heads and wondering what we are going to write about. That just does not come naturally to a lot of people for a variety of very understandable reasons. And so what if all of this content that we are creating or sharing or that's being generated by others on Facebook, what if we could take all of that content and auto-magically turn it into blog posts that promote our businesses, that promote our links for whatever it is you may be selling, whatever service or product it is. And that's exactly what Bloggle does. Let me show you very quickly, as quickly as I can in this video, how Bloggle works. Now here you see me actually in my Bloggle back office, and this is where you can add your blogs to Bloggle, right? And once you add a blog to Bloggle, that's it. I mean, you can literally set it and forget it, because what Bloggle will do from that point onwards, it will start blogging for you. It will start creating blog posts for you without you ever having to log into your WordPress back office. And so here's an example of a post that I made on my Facebook timeline just a couple of weeks ago. I was at a great event listening to Neil Patel, who is one of the preeminent bloggers. He's a consultant to companies like Microsoft and TechCrunch. He has 2 blogs. I think each blog generates hundreds of thousands of unique visitors per month. Fair to say that he's a millionaire blogger. And so I made this post on my Facebook timeline at the time, and look what happened just a couple of minutes later. Literally, this Facebook post was turned into a blog post, and I never actually had to write this blog post. Bloggle did all of this for me, but not only was this post created on my blog, but look closely, see how I was able to wrap this post in my affiliate link for this particular company, right? So I was able to take that Facebook post and I was able to turn it into a blog post which promotes my affiliate link. But even better, not only did that Facebook post become a blog post, but now here you see the blog post indexed in Google. And I'm just going to quickly click on this search button there, and you will see that the very first result, if you paid attention to Neil Patel's speech tonight, is my blog post, which started out as a Facebook post. And this could very easily be a long tail keyword for whatever products or services that I am promoting. Let me give you another example. Here is a top marketer, Princess Fizz, host of the I Have a Dream show, who had tagged me in a post. Okay, she had tagged me in a post that then appeared on my timeline. And guess what? That Facebook post became, once again, a blog post promoting my affiliate links right here, without me ever having to log into WordPress and actually create this post. This also applies to content that you might share on Facebook. Here I shared a video by two top marketers on my Facebook timeline, and you guessed it, that Facebook share, that Facebook post, was automatically turned into a blog post promoting my links, right down to this video that you see right here. I did not have to create this blog post and try to figure out how to insert a video in my blog post. No, Blo.gl did all of that for me. But wait, it really does get even better, because not only can Blo.gl take content from my Facebook timeline, but Blo.gl allows you to pull content from other Facebook pages to promote whatever product or service it is that you are selling. Let me show you what I mean. Now, here's a company called Lead Pages, a very popular company, especially if you're a marketer. You've heard of Lead Pages. They offer a phenomenal platform for lead generation. Well, they have a very active Facebook page. Well, I can set up Blo.gl to pull content from their Facebook page. And so whenever they make a Facebook post, Blo.gl will turn that into a blog post promoting my link. Take a look at this most recent post of theirs. If you have an online course or we're thinking about making one, these are the templates you should be using, right? Well, here is the post on my blog. If you have an online course or we're thinking about it, and not only is their content here, giving them full credit, of course, but not only is their content this blog post, but once again, it's promoting my affiliate link for Lead Pages. Now stop to think about this for a moment. Think about all the content that is on Facebook, all the Facebook pages, all the timelines out there, all that content that's being created, that's original. All of that content you can leverage by turning it into blog posts to build your business. And I'm going to show you a real-time example of that right now. So here I am once again in my Blo.gl back office, and this is as simple, as easy as Blo.gl is to use. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to edit this blog of mine. So I'll click on edit right there, and there's a video tutorial inside the back office that explains to you exactly how to use this very, very simple page. But as you can see here, right now I'm blogging Facebook posts by myself, that's my timeline, as well as Lead Pages, as you just saw. Now, what I would probably do is create a separate blog for this next company that I'm going to use as an example. But just for the sake of this video, here's how you add content to your blog using Blo.gl. So you click on more sources. Now I'm going to search for a company called Isogenics, and my intent here is not to promote any companies as such, but just to give you examples of how you can use Blo.gl to really build any business in any niche with any company or product or service. So I'm going to search Facebook pages for Isogenics, and in a moment here you'll see some search results, and there is Isogenics Facebook page. I'm just going to click on that to make sure it's the right page, and indeed that's the one right there. So I'm going to go back to Blo.gl, and I'm just going to add it as a source of content for my blog. There you see it right there. And you can actually add text before and after posts, before and after blog posts. And so I'm going to change this from that link to something like click here to join my Isogenics team. Okay? And let me just capitalize that right there. and I would include my Isogenics link here. And again, as I said, my intent here is not to promote any company in particular, but just to illustrate how Blo.gl works. And I'll change those tags to Isogenics, and I will click on update. Okay, that's it. Now, notice here that the most recent post that Blo.gl made was 47 minutes ago. Okay, and so far it's made 23 posts for me. I did not have to manually create any of those posts. But I'm going to reload this page here. And notice how, again, the last post was 48 minutes ago, and for a total of 23 posts. I'm going to click on this link. It's going to take me to my blog right there. And look what just happened. Look what just happened. The science behind Isogenics has come a long way. That was taken from this page. And in fact, if I just keep refreshing this, let me just keep reloading this. Look at these posts roll in. Look at this. Okay, that was the first post we saw. The science behind Isogenics has come a long way. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 posts, 7 blog posts that were just made in less than a minute. And let me go in here and reload this page again. And notice now we're up to 35 blog posts, with the most recent one being just 14 minutes ago. And of course, if I click on these posts, you'll notice that they are promoting my affiliate link. Click here to join my Isogenics team. Are you beginning to see the potential here? I mean, you just witnessed about 6 or 7 blog posts being created in less than a minute promoting my affiliate link for this particular company. And remember, as I showed you here, these blog posts end up accessible to the search engines. And I won't get into long tail keywords here, but together with long tail keywords, this is an extremely powerful strategy to help you make money blogging while saving you time, while saving you effort, while overcoming the biggest obstacles that most people face when it comes to blogging, which is it doesn't come naturally, whereas Facebook does. And another requirement of blogging, if you want to profit from blogging, is that you must do it consistently. You must do it almost every day, which is extremely difficult for most people to do. And yet you just saw how in a minute I was able to create 6 blog posts. So that's just a very quick glimpse into how Blo.gl works. I'm really proud of this platform that we have built here, because it really is going to help a lot of folks finally succeed with blogging and finally start making money by blogging. So what you want to do is you want to click, if this is your first time logging into Blo.gl, you want to click on the blue button right below this video, and you're going to see a window appear like this. And you want to make sure that you click on OK, because you want to allow the Blo.gl application permissions to pull content from Facebook for you. Blo.gl does not post to your Facebook timeline at all, but you want to make sure you allow the application permissions to pull content from Facebook and post it to your blog. So there you have it. Again, my name is Tissa Godabatani, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.
Do you see how simple this is? Like, this literally could be the answer to the problem that you've had. You know, this is a tool that can be used by anybody in any company out there to basically beef up, boost up, generate unbelievable amounts of traffic. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or whether you're brand new to the online world, this is sick. Like, literally, like, this is sick. If you've been using an old marketing platform and you just haven't wanted to get into blogging for the time constraints of it, you have no excuse anymore. Okay, like, literally no excuse anymore. This is the simplest thing I've ever seen. Beyond simple. Okay. Click a link somewhere here, or click a link underneath this to get this right now. Okay, this is Max US. I'll see you in the next video.